Jessie here. I am back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a quick Dollar Tree haul. I apologize there was no video up yesterday when it was supposed to go up. I just have been super busy, have not had much opportunity to film. So that explains why there was no video yesterday. It's just been a crazy week and it's only Tuesday. Anyway, this video is going to go up tonight. I'm just going to show you the items I picked up at Dollar Tree today. It's a very small haul, getting a jump start on Valentine's Day gifts for my kids. Also got a few office-y type things. So I'm going to take everything out of the bags and lay it out so that I'm not crinkling while I'm trying to show you guys everything. And then we'll go through what I got. Alright, you guys, so here's a look at everything I picked up, starting with the Valentine's Day stuff. I always do a little gift bag of treats for my boys. Robert is 17, Austin is 12, in case you're new. I always do a little gift bag, just little candies and a few other little odds and ends, so I'm getting a jump start on that. I picked up the gift bags. These are the same ones I buy every year, essentially, just like the paper gift bags. These are just a little bit of a different design this time, and they're 2 for $1, so you can't beat that. Picked up these super cute little cherry gumballs. I thought those would be a fun addition to their gift bags. If you guys would like to see a video on how I put these together, let me know. I tend to do something similar every year. I have previous videos on this sort of thing. It's nothing new or inventive, honestly. It's just, you know, little treats I pick up here and there. I picked them each up a little box of chocolates, and I went with the ones with the doggies on them. Got some of these conversation hearts. Those are a Valentine's Day staple. Also picked up these. These were new. I had never seen these before. I'm sure they're not new, but they were new to my Dollar Tree. So they're the Russell Stover's Itty Bitty Hearts. There are 50 chocolate mini hearts in each of these. So I got one of each for the boys. Also picked up these little chocolate hearts to split up between the 2 bags as well. So that's a jump start on that sort of thing. I picked up some acetaminophen because we were just about out, and that is what I take for headaches. I cannot typically take ibuprofen. It doesn't go well with my blood pressure medication, so I take acetaminophen. Very rarely, but we were just about out, so I got some more of that. I got this little soap dish to put in my kitchen. My husband has a bar of lava soap that he uses to wash his hands every evening when he gets home from work, and I don't really have a good place for it. Tends to get my sink all kind of gummy and gross. It's got like soap residue, so I bought this little tray for that. Picked up these jumbo paper clips. I thought these would go super cute in my planner, and I had never seen these at Dollar Tree before, so I snatched those up. I needed some envelopes, so I picked those up as well. I love Dollar Tree for staples like this. Got a new calculator. Most of the time I use the calculator on my phone, but sometimes I'm on my phone when I need to calculate things, so it's just nice to have a little pocket calculator. I lost mine that I got from Dollar Tree the last time, a couple months ago, so it was time for a new one. Picked up this super cute little pencil case. I bought this to go in my little craft cart to help corral my pens and pencils. Also picked up this little eye mask. Been having a hard time sleeping lately, and I think maybe an eye mask will help, so I picked one up from the Dollar Tree because if it doesn't help, then it's only $1. I'm not out much. That's kind of my philosophy when it comes to Dollar Tree in general. Like, for $1, I can afford to try it out. And the very last thing is this desktop calendar. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I was looking at some like at erincondren.com. I saw a couple of cute ones at Staples, and then I thought, why am I going to spend all kinds of money on a calendar that I'm just going to tear off the pages and throw away? So I just picked this one up from Dollar Tree. It's cute, and it'll do the job. I like that it has a spot for notes. So that is it for my super quick little Dollar Tree. Just a few odds and ends. Nothing major. I spent a total of $18.54, so... Oh, I also picked up a Rice Krispie treat that I ate in the car, because those are my favorite. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick haul. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!